Hello, everyone. I am just a cute dog waiting for someone to come by to pick me up. I am trapped here in this lonely pet veterinarian thingy. Oh, if only I could just have something to eat. I haven't had anything in 20 years. Oh, oh, that's so good. Oh, that's so delicious. Oh, thank you so much, people that hurt me before. Oh, that was so delicious. I need something to play with now. Something. Oh, anything, please. Like a chew toy or something. Oh, so much for an orange dog. Anything. Well, I gotta go chase down some cats.